Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to change notification sound in Telegram. So it is super easy to change notification sound in Telegram. So first of all, head on to Telegram, and over here at the top left you can find this three line. Click on these three lines and then go to setting. Then over here you can find notification and sounds. Click on this. Now you can see in the top notification for chat. Here chat are divided into 4 groups: private chat, group chat, channel chat, and also stories. Now I will change this notification sound for private chat. Then I will tap on this private chat. You can see here are multiple options. Now to change the notification sound, all we need to do is go to this sounds, and over here you can find different sounds to choose from. You can choose any one of your choice. And also we can upload our favorite sound from here. In this way we can change notification sound in Telegram. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.